Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. I've had a pretty good day today. It pretty much got rained out again. Every day, about 3 o'clock it pours here. But some big things got done. So let me show you what we got here. And I will get into more of it and physically show you tomorrow, because at the moment I can't really get to a lot of things, and then starting this would probably not be a great idea at the moment. We got a pretty bad thunderstorm going on outside. It's real windy and pouring rain. It's driving in the direction of the garage door. So anyway, jacked this up today. Got the steering a lot better, which is something we didn't talk about, but the steering in one direction was not as good as we wanted it to be, and was something we were trying to figure out how we could address without doing anything crazy. And just adjusting the arms and the stops and whatnot, we got the steering, and we think pretty good at this point. So we think we're pretty much there. So that got done. That was huge. Put the car on rollers so that once I pull this car out, I can spin this car around in the garage here. It was facing the other way. We did get the distributor hold down installed, and let's see if I can get this open to show you that. So we got the distributor hold down in. I did go ahead. I spent about 30 minutes messing with this thing. I think I've got the timing dialed in. I think it's running pretty good. So I think we're close there. So as far as this thing running, I think we're pretty good. Tomorrow, I want to take this for a ride around the neighborhood and verify my suspicions that we're good. I have not got to the wiring under the dash, and I haven't got to the horn yet. But that is what we got done on the 1973 Volkswagen Thing, and it is it's exciting because, I mean, we're really close here, and a lot of these things that have just been, you know, we're missing one part, or, you know, just little things, or like the distributor tie down that snapped. This thing was purring like a kitten, man, and then all of a sudden, snap, and here we are. And then you got to do all that work again, right? So, really happy with where we're at on the Thing. So there's that. I did order, I'm missing a couple dash screws. I had them, I have no idea where they're at. But the ones that go in the speedometer up there, up top, I ordered those, and I ordered the fuse panel clip that holds the fuse panel in. I lost mine somewhere at some point between Louisville and now. So I ordered those from the Thing shop. Should have those in a couple days. That should be good. We still got work to do on the 40. It's just not great. We're gonna have to really deep dive into this. I think it needs a torque converter. And honestly, I don't know. It runs so bad that you know, it's almost one of those where it's like, nothing changed but the carburetor. There you go. We got a hell of a storm outside. But let's see if the tent's still here. Yeah, it was blown away earlier. Poor Apache. The good news is the Apache's roof is primed, and for this purpose right here. So even though there's a tent, the tent's not completely waterproof and it's dripping on it and whatnot. So this is the reason we want to get that Apache down to bare metal and then epoxied for this right here. This is every day. So for the time being anyway. And then we'll get 6 months of just amazing weather, you know, just fantastic. So just take the good with the bad. But anyway, that is where we're at here. We still need to take the Super Beetle convertible, the front half of it and whatnot, we still need to take to the dump, to the scrapyard and get that out. And then we gotta still take the back end and somehow get the transmission out of it, and so I can use that on the new frame and so on and so forth. So work to be done. I did not have a whole lot of time today, but our list for this car, what is left? The wiring under the dash just needs to get finished up, the brake wiring, and just tucked away. So that needs to happen. The horn needs to be hooked up on the horn button. It's already hooked up up front. I need to put the duck boards and cocoa mats back in it, vacuum it out, clean it up, you know, polish it out. On the inside, do some paint touch-ups here and there where things got nicked or whatever, just make it look right again. And then we need to, I need to get air shocks. I still haven't done that. I might do that tomorrow. And then swap those out. And then really it's, I need to find an alignment shop that does Volkswagens. So if you're in the Tampa area and you're a Volkswagen guy and you know somewhere that'll do a classic Volkswagen alignment, let me know. I would love to know so I can take it down there. But otherwise, that's about it. We're gonna do some polishing and whatnot on it, and dial it in a little better on the paint, and we're there. So you know, I've got 16-ish days left, a little over 16 days to get this ready, completely done, ready to sell. Because when I come back from vacation, that's what's going to happen. This thing's going up for sale. And then while I'm gone, Big Ron will be working on the 40 here, getting it ready for paint, which we already have the paint. It's going black, obviously, you see the firewall. It's going jet black, and that is dull and not been polished ever. It's going to look really good. So we're going to get this thing right and then kind of go from there. So anyway, guys, I just want to give you an update for today. Sorry we keep getting rained out. I want to work longer, but I mean, it's just the things I need to do. I need to have the doors open on this so that I can get my, 6'1", almost 6'2" body into there. And honestly, this needs to be outside, and I don't want to just leave this outside like this. So, that's kind of where we're at the moment. But anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great day, and we will talk at you tomorrow. We're going to get right back on this in the morning. We'll be working on the thing. I'm going to get that wiring done and the horn hooked up, and try to get this thing down on all four paws and take it for a ride, and barring weather, of course, and see if we can't start putting some miles on this thing. Maybe go get some gas in it, and I think right now we got about 6 miles, maybe just under 5, almost 6 miles. So want to just get some miles on it, work out any bugs and kinks and so on. So tomorrow we'll do that. If I go for a ride, I'll take you with me, and we'll have a little fun with that. But thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.